Yup, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got here. I've been around motorcycles my whole life. I've even been on short rides in the past. But it wasn't till this year that I can go on a real ride. I mean, what can I say? They're fast, they're fun, and the view, you can see everything. It feels like you're flying close to the ground. Now I know why my uncles and my dad all ride. I'm glad my dad shared this with me. I hope to go on more rides this summer. Who knows, maybe you'll see me riding my own motorcycle one day. Till then, stay safe.